Okay, so let's take a look at this 4.31 and a couple of the differences here. We want to make sure that we understand that in triangle BCD, and then we have triangle STU down here, there's a difference in these problems here. So we're going to go ahead and sketch this diagram. All right, I'm going to draw a triangle B to C to D. All right, so then I'll label it B to C to D. Okay, now the measure of angle B is 7x plus 12, so I'll write 7x plus 12 in this little corner. And the measure of angle C is 2x plus 13, so I'll write that in that vertex. And then angle D is 2x plus 12, so you can see we have 3 of those values in the vertices, okay? So now if we have inside a triangle, and we've got 180 degrees, so we know we can add up all these values and then set them equal to 180 degrees. So I've got 7x plus 12 plus 2x plus 13 plus 2x plus 12 is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, so I'll start by combining like terms. 7x, 2x, and 2x is 11x. And then I've got 12, and 12 is 24, plus 13 is plus 37. And now I'm going to set this equal to 180, right? So I'll subtract 37 from both sides, right? And if you're not sure, right, use our calculator. So 180 minus 37 gives us a value of 143, right? So I've got 11x is equal to 143. And if I divide by 11 and then divide by 11, I'll get a value of 143 divided by 11 gives us a value of 13, right? So I know that my x value is 13. Now watch out for that because, right, we're finding the measure of angle D here, right? So we're finding this measurement right here. So if I substitute in the measure of angle D is equal to, that was my alarm to make this video, is equal to 2x plus 12, and we know our x value is 11, so 2 times 13 plus 12, okay, is going to give us a value of 26 plus 12 is going to give us a value of 38 degrees. So we know that that measure is 38 degrees. Okay, now looking at this next example here, if I've got triangle STU, right, I've got triangle S to T, and then down to U, and then let's connect them and label that triangle. I've got S to T to U, right? It says that SU is extended through to point V. So SU is extended through U to point V, which gives us an exterior angle, right? So I'm going to start with that one because I'm going to say T to U to V. Right, I've got T to U to V. So T to U to V is 7x minus 15. So it's an exterior angle that we have now on the outside. And then STU is 3x plus 13. So S to T to U is 3x plus 13. And then U to S to T is x plus 20. Okay, so the rule is the sum of the remote interior. So I've got 3x plus 13 plus x plus 20 is equal to the exterior angle. All right, so I've got 7x minus 15. All right, so now we go ahead and just solve for x. So go ahead and I combine like terms over here. So I've got 4x plus 33 is equal to 7x minus 15. Whenever I'm solving algebraically, I like to keep my coefficients positive. So I'll subtract this 4x over here and then add 15 here. All right, which is going to leave us with 48 is equal to 3x. So isolate by dividing by 3. And then if you're not sure, right, 48 divided by 3, make sure I get this answer correct. I'm going to get 16. Right, so I know our x value is 16, but again, watch out for the trap, okay? What is the value of x? Is that what I'm looking for? Yes, that's what I'm looking for. All right, I hope this helps y'all.